Hey, Trailblazers. Did you know that having multiple income streams can significantly boost your financial security and growth? According to a recent study, nearly 40% of U.S. workers have a second job to help make ends meet or build savings. Imagine having several sources of income, each contributing to your wealth and reducing your financial stress. Today, we're diving into why having multiple income streams is vital for financial growth. If you're curious about how to diversify your income and secure your financial future, this video is for you. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, especially in uncertain economic times. Many people find themselves vulnerable to job loss, pay cuts, or economic downturns, which can lead to financial instability. The economic impact of events like the COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted just how fragile relying on one income source can be, with many individuals facing sudden unemployment or reduced hours. Having multiple income streams can help you avoid these pitfalls by providing additional financial security. Think about it. If one income stream dries up, you have others to fall back on, thereby reducing the overall risk. This approach not only protects you from financial shocks, but also creates opportunities for building wealth more effectively. For example, one stream might come from a steady job, while others could be from side gigs, investments, or passive income sources like rental properties or dividends. Diversifying your income allows you to take advantage of different market opportunities and reduces dependence on a single source. Moreover, multiple income streams can accelerate your financial growth. By reinvesting the earnings from one stream into another, you can create a compounding effect, significantly boosting your overall income and wealth over time. This strategy also provides flexibility and resilience, enabling you to adapt to changing economic conditions more effectively. Whether it's investing in stocks, starting a side business, or generating passive income through real estate, diversifying your income streams is a proven way to enhance financial stability and growth. Sounds daunting? What if I told you that building multiple income streams is easier than you might think? Stick around, because the tips and strategies we're about to share could transform your financial landscape and help you achieve lasting financial growth. Let's dive into the essentials of creating multiple income streams. At its core, this involves identifying different ways to earn money, both actively and passively. It's built on three main pillars: identifying opportunities, leveraging existing skills, and managing your income streams effectively. Spotting income gold mines. First up, identifying opportunities. Start by looking at your current situation and thinking about where you can add an extra source of income. This could be a side hustle, freelance work, or even investing in assets that generate passive income. Consider your hobbies and passions as potential income sources. For example, if you're good at writing, you could start a blog or offer freelance writing services. Blogging can become a significant source of income through ad revenue, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Freelance writing allows you to get paid for creating content for others, and platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to find clients. Additionally, you can create ebooks or online courses based on your writing expertise, further diversifying your income. If you have a knack for photography, consider selling your photos online. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to upload your photos and earn money each time someone downloads them. This can turn your hobby into a lucrative passive income stream. Also, you can offer your photography services for events such as weddings, parties, or corporate events, combining both active and passive income opportunities. Exploring these opportunities not only brings in additional income, but also allows you to turn your passions into profitable ventures. Turn skills into dollar bills. Next, let's talk about leveraging existing skills. We all have skills and talents that can be turned into income-generating activities. Think about what you're good at and how you can monetize those skills. For instance, if you're handy with tools, you could offer handyman services in your local community. If you're tech savvy, consider offering tech support or setting up a YouTube channel with tutorials. By leveraging your existing skills, you can create additional income streams with minimal investment. Managing your income streams effectively is crucial for long-term success. Once you have multiple income streams, it's important to keep track of them and manage your time wisely. Create a schedule that allows you to dedicate time to each income source without feeling overwhelmed. Use tools like spreadsheets or financial apps to monitor your earnings and expenses. Staying organized will help you maximize your income and ensure that each stream contributes positively to your financial growth. Now, I want to hear from you. What income streams are you currently exploring, or what ideas do you have for creating new ones? Drop a comment below and let's discuss how we can support each other in achieving financial growth. And stay tuned, because later in the video, we'll share success stories of individuals who've transformed their financial lives with multiple income streams. Real people, real profits. Let's talk about Pat Flint, an entrepreneur who turned multiple income streams into a thriving business. Pat started with a single blog, sharing tips and insights, and grew it into a multifaceted business that includes affiliate marketing, online courses, and a popular podcast. His journey shows the power of leveraging your skills and diversifying your income. By creating valuable content and exploring different monetization strategies, Pat built a sustainable and diverse income portfolio. His focus on providing value and continuously learning new strategies has made him a successful and inspiring figure in the world of entrepreneurship. To wrap things up, creating multiple income streams is a powerful strategy for achieving financial growth and security. From reducing financial stress to building wealth, the benefits are immense. Remember, building multiple income streams requires strategic planning, leveraging your skills, and effective management. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other videos on financial growth and investing. Share your experiences or questions about creating multiple income streams in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies on achieving financial success. Until next time, keep blazing that trail to financial independence.